Dude, your car is filthy.
Dude, I really don't care. You're the one who has to use it anyway.
Like, you have Tupperware in
You
here.
would drive, but you... What are you recording for?
Film this. Wait.
Oh my God.
You know, just memories and stuff like that. Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Wait, where are we going?
Why are you bringing sticks with
Dude. Oh my gosh. Where are we?
I told you we're just going somewhere I found. It's not a big deal.
He knows the place.
What is up with him? What is up with him today? No, literally, where are we, man?
Dude, we're where we're supposed to be, okay? Just, you know, kind of
What is that? What is that?
doesn't matter what it's
No,
nothing.
what is that?
Dude! It's gonna help us out, okay?
What do you mean it's gonna help us out?
Okay, look, just don't freak out, okay? It's gonna help
Whoa,
us out.
whoa, whoa! No, why do you have that, dude?
Just give me a
No,
second to explain,
get,
okay?
no!
Give me a second, alright?
I'm out of here.
No, Nina,
Nina,
wait a
Nina!
second. Nina, wait.
Look at that. Nina ran away.
Nina's gone. It doesn't matter anymore. She's gone. She's gone. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't make any sense. I mean, look at yourself. Look, what are you doing even?
You're not giving me any chance to explain. Look,
Dude.
it made so much more sense in my head, okay? It's already over.
Summoning a demon made sense?
It's already over.
Really,
It's a
really,
demon. You
really,
can't
really,
even read this.
really, really, really. What the heck? Dude, stop. Ew.
Look, it's done. No matter what happens now, it's over, okay?
Jeez. Oh my gosh. What? What?